Transformation. Key points on enlargement, translation, reflection, and rotation. In this question, we have two transformations, successive transformations. First one is reflection, and the second one is rotation, about origin 90-degree clockwise. Now, find the coordinates of the image of the point 5, 2. We want to find the image of this point, and under a reflection in the x-axis followed by a clockwise rotation of 90 degree about the origin. First we find the reflection in the x-axis. First we know that the key point about reflection in the x-axis, reflection in, this is a key point, reflection in x-axis. X-axis. If we have a point AB, then we just change this point to find the image of this point. Just change A minus B. So A minus B into A minus B. This is the reflection of the point AB in the x-axis. So 5, 2, we want to reflect the point 5, 2, or we want to find the image of the 5, 2 under a reflection or in the x-axis. So we change the point 5, 2 into 5 minus 2. Translated, this is a reflection of reflected in the x-axis. After reflected in the x-axis 5, 2, this is the image of the 5, 2. Image of 5, 2 under a reflection. In the x-axis. Now, followed by means the answer is, after taking the answer, this is the answer after reflected the 5, 2 in the x-axis, we have 5 minus 2, then followed by a clockwise rotation of 90 degree about the origin. Now another key point to find the clockwise rotation, (90 degree) about origin. We just change AB into B minus A. We just change the sign of A. Change the sign of A. If it is positive, then change it negative sign. With negative sign, we take it negative sign, and just interchange these two, B minus A. So when we want to find the rotation of this point clockwise about the origin, we change AB into B minus A. So B as it is, minus 2 as it is, this is the value of B, and change the sign of A, which is minus 5. So the answer is minus 2 minus 5. After successive reflections, after successive transformation on 5, 2, we have minus 2 and minus 5, which is the answer after rotation of 90 degree about origin. So after rotation of 90 degree about origin, this is the rotation 90 degree clockwise about origin. So the image after two reflections, after two transformations, this is minus 2 minus 5. So first we have a reflection in the x-axis. We change AB into A minus B. So the question is 5, 2. Now change into 5 minus 2. There is a reflection in the x-axis. Now after reflection, after taking reflection in the x-axis, we change this value after rotation 90 degree about origin, we have minus 2 minus 5. We use this formula, and this is the formula for reflection in the x-axis, and this is the formula for rotation clockwise about the origin. Now question number 2. Question number 2, in which we want to find the points are reflected in the y-axis. Points are reflected in the y-axis. First we have a key point. Points reflected in the y-axis, we just change a, b into minus a and b. So reflection in the y-axis, AB converted into minus a and b. So the point 2 minus 3, when we take the reflection in the y-axis, we change the sign of a. In this case, the value of a is 2, so change the sign of a, so it is minus 2, and this will remain as it is. B will remain as it is, minus 3. This is the reflection of the point in the y-axis. Now, after taking this reflection, we rotate the resulting value anti-clockwise about origin. Now, first we have to find the key point. We know about the key point. AB into minus C minus B and A. Rotation anti-clockwise. Rotation anti-clockwise. So change AB into minus B and A. So the resulting value, which was minus 2 and minus 3, in this case the value of B is minus 3, so multiplying it by minus sign, and A will remain as it is, which is minus 2. So the answer is 3 minus 2. This is the answer, 3 minus 2. Part number 2 left for exercise. Solve this value. Part B, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 and minus 1 under the two transformations. Find the answer of this question.